First, we'll open the glove box. Glove box is taken down. Notice there's that cover inside that we are supposed to take out. Now I will be using a clip remover tool like this. And we will use this tool to pull out that tab from the bottom. Then also pull out the tab which is on the right side right here. Then there's one tab at the top that's also supposed to be taken out. We'll go ahead and pull out the first tab using that tool. There it is. This one is pulled out. Then we'll also lift up the bottom tab. That's also done. Now the final one would be at the top right there. It's slightly different from the other one, so we'll just carefully punch in our tool and then pull it out. There it is. Once all the tabs are out, now we'll just grab the cover and pull it outwards. Once the bigger cover is taken out, notice behind there's that final cover that's also supposed to be taken out. It has 3 tabs at the top, 1 tab right here, 2nd tab right there, and the 3rd tab on the other edge right there. We'll have to push these tabs one by one. There's the first one pulled out. Second one also out. We got the 3rd one pulled out as well. Now we'll just grab the cover and lift it upside. Just like that, we are able to take out this plastic cover. And right there is the cabin air filter. I'll punch in my finger from the right side, grab it, and then slightly pull it outwards. That is how we take out the cabin air filter for this car. In my case, the filter is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new filter and you want to install it back, just make sure that there is an arrow sign at the front right there. That arrow sign should be pointing towards downwards while installing it back. We'll go ahead and punch in this filter back where we took it out from. I always punch in the left side portion first. Once the left side is in, then I punch in the right side and then sliding it down all the way. We make sure the filter is completely slided in. Now we are good to punch in this cover right there. Notice the cover has 3 tabs at the bottom. Here you could see I'm pointing it out. We have to make sure the bottom side is sitting in first, just like that. Once the bottom portion is completely in, then we'll press the tabs from top one by one. First one is in, second also in, third one just went by itself. Now the final thing would be to punch in this bigger cover right there. On the left side of the cover, notice there are 2 tabs coming out, and these 2 tabs are supposed to be slided into that position right there. So we'll make sure to punch it in just like that in that spot right there. Once the cover is slided in, then we go ahead and push those tabs one by one. We'll push the top portion first, then we push the bottom one, followed by pushing the final one. Once this is all in, now we'll go ahead and close the glove box. With that, we are done with the replacement of cabin air filter for this car. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.